What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at some of the trades that I made for the day. Wasn't a big green day, but about 300 bucks in the day, $375. So not terrible. Kind of just grinding out another win throughout some of this summer kind of trading lull. Definitely some good movers on the day, but nonetheless, let's get into it. $375 day, not big, but it is what it is. So here we are. This is CHGG. Today I took a trade on it, and as you can see, it was a quick trade. Really didn't pan out. I was really looking for a move like this. So this move here was really the move I was looking for right here, but we just didn't get it, right? So if we kind of look at this, stock had been going up all day, pulls back, bounces a little bit, pulls back, bounces again, creates small little support down here, starts to channel up, right? So in this moment, what we have, give me a second if this would work. There it goes. Right, so in here, right, the stock starts to channel and go back and forth and basically trading a breakout over previous highs on the day. As you can see, we started to get a volume spike come in right around there. Stock pops up. So I ended up getting long just before the move up, anticipating the break. So I'm getting long at $43.51 with 2,000 shares. It pops up. I take off 1,500 at 43.06, which really isn't hardly, isn't really a massive gain or anything like that. So I end up getting in at 43.51 and sold majority of it at 43.60. Excuse me, I was a little off there. So jumped in 2,000 long, sold at 43.60. So I made about 10 cents on the trade. Then I'm taking off my last 500 shares here on this down candle at 43.50. So basically stopped out, break even on those last 500 shares. So not a big win, 127 bucks. Really, this was, kind of a nice bullish stock in the day. It went through consolidation. It was holding. It looked like it wanted to break into new highs, which it did, but it didn't sustain in that moment in time. It came back later, squeezed, and pushed up. That was the move that I was looking for on this push, but we just didn't get it. Nonetheless, resulting in a smaller win of $127 on the day. Would I have liked more? Of course, but we'll always take what we get. Next stock on the day, something that we did trade. Was AMD. So AMD was just a quick early morning short trade, kind of just a scalp down on this 1 minute candle. So if you're looking at the stock and you're kind of watching it today, moral of the story here is it was kind of trending down here, into kind of a bearish pennant. Basically just trading the break out of this wedge, as many people do quite often. So just got short 2,000 shares as it starts to break down this little wedge here. So I'm getting short, get short at 31.57, cover up the 2,000 shares at 31.48. So about a 10-cent gain there. So nothing too significant. Was able to snag $129 on that trade. Okay. What else do we trade on the day? NVIDIA. Yeah, I'm trading NVIDIA today. So kind of a couple things here. Ended up getting long earlier in the day on NVIDIA. Just did a small scalp trade here with 500 shares at 156.70. Sold 450 shares at 156.81. So again, small 10-cent gain there. Held 50 shares long. Was going to actually make these 50 shares a swing trade, because you can see I sold 450. Was going to make 50 shares a swing trade later in the day. Then I didn't want to take this short. So long story short, I was long 50 shares after the first trade here. And then I was like, well, I kind of want to short this. So then I ended up taking off those, taking off 50 of the shares that were already long. Then I got short, and long story short, nothing, it doesn't even matter. It was basically a scratch trade. I ended up getting short in here, taking some off, and so I resulted with about the same amount of money I did on my first little initial trade here. So small gain of 58 bucks on the day with NVIDIA, so really not too much there. Part of the reason for buying NVIDIA today was just this level we were at 156 was a support that I was able to identify. So basically the reason for jumping in long on this trade. All in all, it was up about 100 bucks once it hit highs here. Didn't sell it. Was going to swing trade the 50 shares, in which I didn't end up swing trading the 50 shares. So pretty small gain there, only 58 bucks. But again, we take what we get. Last trade you won't be able to see because it doesn't show your options trades, but I did a small little option bounce scalp trade on on the SPY here. So, early in the morning it goes through a crazy spike, comes all the way back down. I knew that it would most likely bounce on the first attempt down here. So I ended up getting long like right here, or maybe it was like around this candle, right in this zone. I think it was 20 contracts that expired today. So it was just some cheap 20-cent contracts. I bought 20 of them down here. And then as we kind of spiked up into this candle, I ended up selling those 20 contracts for about $60 profit. So wasn't a massive trade. Really all today was a bunch of kind of small little in and out trades. Wanted to get some, basically get some footing under me. We had the long weekend, slow week with 4th of July and the holidays. So coming into this week, just trying to get some wins under the belt. So again, $375 on the day here. So can't complain. There it is, $375. So nonetheless, pretty good day. AMD, CHGG, NVIDIA, SPY. So all in all, pretty decent day. Not going to complain. So I hope you guys learned something new from the video. Hope you guys like it. And as always, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you know when we get a new video is uploaded. Other than that, guys, take care, and I'll see you guys on the next video.